In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Xero. If you work with customers or suppliers overseas, or you're expanding into new markets, adding another currency in Xero lets you create invoices and bills and reconcile transactions in that currency with accurate exchange rates. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, go to Xero. Open Xero in your browser and head into your organization. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the correct business if you manage more than one, so the change applies where you intend. Next, open the company menu. This is the menu that shows your organization name in the interface. Click it to reveal a set of options you use to manage your account and organization level preferences. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to the central place where you control how your organization behaves, including financial settings that affect how transactions are recorded and displayed. On the Settings page, find Currencies. Open Currencies, then click Add Currency. You'll see a list of global currencies with their official 3-letter ISO codes. Use the search field to quickly locate the one you need, for example, EUR for Euro or JPY for Japanese Yen. Select the currency to add it to your organization. After this, Xero includes that currency everywhere it's relevant, such as invoices, bills, and bank reconciliation. Xero also maintains exchange rates automatically, so your transactions reflect the rate for the date you enter. If you prefer to use a specific rate for a particular transaction, you can choose to apply it at that time. A few helpful notes as you do this. Adding a currency enables you to transact in it. It does not change your base currency. Your base currency is set when your organization is created and isn't switched within regular settings. Also, if you don't see currencies or the Add Currency option, it may be due to your user permissions or your subscription plan. In that case, check with your organization's administrator to confirm you have access. Once the currency is added, you'll be able to select it on new transactions wherever a currency field appears. Your existing bank accounts and reports remain unchanged, and you'll only see the new currency where you choose to use it. Keep in mind that once a currency has been used in transactions, it generally can't be removed, so add only the ones you truly need. And that's all there is to it. Go to Xero, open the company menu, click Settings, then Currencies, and select Add Currency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you work confidently with multiple currencies in Xero.